Greetings, students of the second semester of core class. I'd like to welcome you to the presentation of what I'd like to call Sounds of the 11th Floor. One morning, we had been planning to set out for the Oracle. Where the hell are we? All seemed bewildered. The men had promised all were going to Loire State. People wanted to get to Malibu. The chapel turned out a hole with my life. I feel too weak by the fact of thoughts fading fast. Fuck. I haven't really thought this through. I keep sliding. Away, and away. These are puppies and babies, because adorable puppies and babies, left unsniffed, cover the new terrible children. Know why? 95% appalling. Not to truly fascinate, sneering with two dogs at once, her dog. As small tractors pinched nipples, leather, birth, friendly frottage. I had panic. Get pregnant. For me, keep your chest. I wanted, I would, I harbored. Enough risks, threats. You would not change your body, as if I did not know that. That for some, leaving one gender entirely behind is okay, desirable even. Whereas for others, how does one get across their version of reality with yours? Fighting against a man that renounced the perils of pleasure. A theater, shape-shifting without feeling, out of town, outside. You felt a lifetime. Now, no collection of friends. What for?